In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an accordion element in Wix Studio. If you want to organize content in a clean space-saving way, an accordion is a great option. It lets visitors expand and collapse sections so your page stays tidy while still providing plenty of information. In Wix Studio, adding one is quick, and customizing it is just as simple once you know where to look. To get started, open your site in Wix Studio and go to the page or section where you want the accordion to appear. From there, head to the top left toolbar and click the plus icon to open Add Elements. In that panel, select Layout Tools, then click on Accordions. You will see different accordion styles available, so choose the one that best matches your page design. Once you've found the style you want, drag and drop it directly onto your page or into the section where it should live. After the accordion is placed on your canvas, select it so you can begin editing the content in the floating menu. Click Manage Items. This is where you control the different tabs or sections inside the accordion. To edit a specific item, click on it, and its container will open on the canvas. You can then drag and drop elements directly into that open tab, including text, shapes, and images. This makes it easy to build out each section with the exact content you need. A useful tip here is to fully design one tab first before building the rest. Once one tab looks the way you want, use the More Actions menu, shown by the three dots, to duplicate it. Then simply replace the content in the duplicate tabs. This helps keep your accordion consistent and gives everything a more polished, uniform appearance. Once your items are populated, move on to the accordion settings and design options. Click the settings icon in the floating menu to control how the accordion behaves. For example, you can choose the default state, such as having all items closed when the page loads or opening the first item by default. You can also enable transitions like slide-down animations to make the interaction feel smoother and more professional. For layout adjustments, you can customize the icon style, such as using plus and minus symbols or arrow icons, and decide where those icons appear. Then, for styling, use the inspector panel in the top right to adjust the container colors, borders, fonts, and padding. These visual details help the accordion blend seamlessly with the rest of your site design. And that's how to add and customize an accordion element in Wix Studio. Thanks for watching.